Hey guys, in this video, I will show you comparison between LangChain and Semantic Kernel. Which one should you choose in 2025? Alright, let's begin. When comparing LangChain and Semantic Kernel in 2025, both tools aim to simplify building AI applications by orchestrating interactions with large language models, memory, and external tools. However, they take distinctly different approaches and cater to slightly different audiences. If you're choosing between them for your next AI-driven app or project, understanding their architecture, flexibility, and ecosystem will help determine which one is the better fit. LangChain is the more mature and widely adopted of the two, especially within the open source Python community. It's specifically built around managing complex workflows with language models, allowing developers to chain together prompts, models, APIs, and memory in flexible pipelines. LangChain is extremely modular, supporting various LLMs, embeddings, vector stores, and memory systems. One of its biggest advantages is its vast community and plugin ecosystem. Almost every major AI tool or service integrates seamlessly with LangChain. If your goal is to build a research agent, AI chatbot, RAG system, or complex document queue and a tool, LangChain offers the building blocks and abstractions to get started fast. On the other hand, Semantic Kernel, developed by Microsoft, is designed for developers looking for a more structured and enterprise-ready framework to build LLM-first applications. It's built with C# and Python support and integrates well with Microsoft services like Azure OpenAI, Microsoft Graph, and Teams. Semantic Kernel emphasizes skills-based development, where AI capabilities are broken into plugins and functions known as semantic or native. It also handles orchestration, memory, and prompt templates elegantly. Developers using .NET will find it especially appealing, and its design makes it easy to embed LLMs into existing enterprise architectures with clear separation of responsibilities. In terms of learning curve, LangChain might feel more intuitive for Python developers and hobbyists, while Semantic Kernel provides stricter architecture patterns more suited for teams or production scale apps. LangChain's flexibility can lead to complexity if not managed carefully, whereas Semantic Kernel promotes maintainability with its function-oriented design. Both tools support memory, agents, and external tools, but LangChain is still ahead in community contributions and third-party integrations. So, which is better? If you're prototyping or working in Python and need fast iteration, LangChain might be your best choice. If you're building a large-scale enterprise-grade application, especially in a Microsoft ecosystem, Semantic Kernel is more aligned with structured engineering practices. Ultimately, your decision should depend on your team's language preferences, app scale, and integration needs. And that's it. So that's all for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.